back to Benny's Take. I'm your girl Benny, and today I'm super duper excited to be bringing you my first ever Amazon haul. Y'all, I've never done one of these. I'm so excited. Clap for me, clap for me, clap for me. Not you falling. Clap for me, clap for me, clap for me. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you always know when I upload. Your goal is trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you can help me in any way by liking, sharing, commenting, and doing all of the things, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't yet followed me on all these other platforms, definitely check me out there. We be having a lot of fun. We be laughing, we be giggling, we be doing everything in between. So definitely check me out there. Let's go ahead and get started with this haul. Yeah? All right, now, before y'all come for me talking cash crazy, I want y'all to remember these boxes, they look a lot more dramatic than they actually are. You know what I'm saying? I remember the sum total of everything I spent was $75 if I'm not mistaken. $75 and some change. However, Amazon being Amazon, they sent me all these different things in different packages, so it looks like I did the most, but in reality I did not. Now if you're wondering what exactly are we about to do a haul on, if you followed me and my journey on any of my social pages, then you know I'm really not somebody to live above my means. You know what I'm saying? I always make it a point to only do the things that I can do. So with that said, I was noticing that going to the nail salon to do my nails was just becoming a bit much. So I thought maybe why don't I buy some things so I can start doing it at home. So we're gonna be doing a little unboxing, and I'm gonna be showing you all of the things that I got as far as like my nail salon home kit. We're gonna call it that. Let's go ahead and get started. So item number one in this big old box was this nail primer. I watched a whole bunch of, videos and other people who do their own nails at home, and they basically said that a nail primer is actually good to help you take care of like your nail bed or whatever the case is. So I'm definitely going to be trying this and seeing like, what it's saying for. But I think this is really good because it said it's also no burn, it has no acid. Because sometimes one of the biggest things that I found was I was getting nervous because what if I use something that I'm not professionally trained to use? Like, what would that look like? So I definitely got that one. So that was item number one. Let's see what's in this box. This feels fun because I'm not even sure. I ordered this I ordered this such a long time ago, and because I was waiting to like do this video, I'm not even sure. Oh, this is what this is. So in here are three items. So number one, we have this food soaking salt. Is it what it's? Yeah, food soaking detox salt. Can y'all see it? Yeah, it says it's all natural. It promotes healthy feet, detoxifying properties, deodorizes feet, because some of y'all feet be funky, so maybe you might need to get you one of these. Again, the price point will be right here, and I'll link everything in my bio. But definitely good to soak your feet, for you to like relax. It has like Himalayan salt, Himalayan salt, Himalayan salt, Himalayan salt. How y'all say that? It has that salt essentially, so I'm definitely gonna be trying this. I'm so excited for that. And in here we also have all of the tools. Come on, Amazon was not even playing with this. They gave me all of the tools, literally. Oh, this one was for the feet, so you got like a whole bunch of stuff in here. Let me know down below, would you like me to do a video of me doing my feet? Maybe that would be helpful for you to see how I'm actually using all of these things. You have the little brush, you have this one for your feet, the one you put in between like your toes to make sure that you're putting the nail polish correctly. And it has a whole bunch of nail filers, a whole bunch. And it has this little tool. I've seen my younger sister use this because my sister does nails. I've seen her use this. She clips something. Anyways, I have to play with all of these things to make sure that I'm not using anything wrong and losing my baby toe in the process. But I'm so excited because it's like this is gonna save me so much money, and I'm grown. There's no need for me to be broke and with nasty feet. So I thought maybe if I don't have money to go to the nail salon all the time, let me bring the nail salon to my own home. So now this one I'm particularly excited for. It's a whole bunch of clip-ons for my actual, fingers and stuff like that. and it comes with the wipes that removes the dirt. It comes with the glue, and I have a whole bunch of these filing stuff so I can easily file, you know, all of the nails, just to make sure that I'm a little bit more, you know, grown and sexy. I may not keep them. I don't know if you can tell, like the nude color is so pretty. I may not keep them that length, again, because I do clean. So I definitely have to play around with it and see, just like, you know, what kind of vibe that I'm gonna go for. Yes, these came in different colors. Come on. So that was color number 1. This is another color. I don't know if y'all can see it. You know, see, that's the first one I showed y'all. And here's another one. Oh, this little mauve is pretty. Tell me that color ain't gorgeous. Comment below and let me know if you would like me to show you how I actually end up installing these, you know, nails and stuff like that. I'm so excited. Just comment below and let me know if you guys are interested in that. These are cute. Oh my God, all of the nudes, all the different kinds of nudes. This is so pretty. I love this so much. This box right here, I am the most excited to show you guys. Hold on. Hold your mule. Yo, this is the one I am most excited for. Come on. Come on, y'all. You people have seen it all. Look at it. It's a bubble foot massage. I don't know if you guys can see from the video. Yeah. So with this, I'm gonna take this, put some warm water and all of the things, and add this salt and just like soak my feet, give myself a little massage. I'm so excited for this. Let's actually open it and see what it's giving on the inside. But if it works the way I think it's gonna work, this is gonna be a game changer for your girl. I don't even think I'm gonna be getting out the house no more. All I'm gonna do is sit at home and do my feet every day. Like, come on. Ah, your girl is fancy. Look at me being fanciful. Fanciful. Okay. I am legit. Yo, it comes with the whole plug. It's hooked underneath. And then, you know, even a scrub. It comes with a scrub. I also own another scrub as well, so I'm excited to do that. But like, yo, look into it. Like, see what it looks like on the inside. You can like put your feet in, and it's like, oh, this is good. This is the on button. So if you plug, once you plug it in, you just press right here. It's gonna like turn on. And I'm so excited for this. This is so dope. Like, yo, this is your reminder if you're looking to save money, or if you're just looking to try something for yourself. If you have the time and maybe you want to pamper yourself, you want to just like do something, you know, almost therapeutic, maybe investing in things like this might be a good way to, you know, elevate your self-care without breaking the budget. So your girl is excited, and like I said, if you want to see me use any of these items, please definitely comment below so that I can make the videos. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Help your girl reach 1,000 subscribers. If you haven't followed me on all these other platforms, definitely check me out on there as well, because we be having a lot of fun. So definitely check me out on there, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Z's.